CP2000 5-axis horizontal CNC machining center serves as a robust backbone for the aerospace industry, a sector at the forefront of high precision and advanced technology. It is a solid backing for the high precision and advanced industries of aerospace. CP2000 high rigidity gantry structure design realized direct passage of the spindle center through the center of the work table. This ingenious design reduces cutting errors, ensure machining accuracy. This 5-axis machine tool is not only equipped with a 45-degree swing head design, implemented 3 processing methods, inclined vertical and horizontal, greatly expanding the processing range and optional turning function, further enhanced its processing capabilities and flexibility. It adopts torque motor direct drive technology, abandoning traditional mechanical transmission methods, fundamentally eliminating the problem of mechanical backlash. Therefore, it can maintain high stability and precision for a long time, provided solid support for complex and precise machining tasks. In order to meet the diversified and personalized production needs of customers, this 5-axis machine tool can also be equipped with an orthogonal pendulum head, provide customers with more flexible and precise machining solutions. The C-axis is also directly driven by a torque motor, achieved no backlash or wear. Significant advantages of high acceleration and deceleration, low noise, and high precision maintenance. The bed is made of carefully selected high-quality cast iron for precision casting. High-quality cast iron materials have excellent rigidity strength and shock absorption characteristics, ensure high-load processing environment, still as stable as a mountain. This high-end machine tool is equipped with a dual-screw copper dynamic design, like guardians of precision manufacturing. The Z-axis moving crossbeam has a flexible and precise moving structure. All 3 axes adopt hollow ball screw cooling technology, ensure the thermal balance of the machine tool during high-speed operation, ensure high stability and precision. CP2000 equipped with HSK, a 63 high-speed spindle, HSK, a 100 high-torque spindle, meeting the high-end manufacturing needs of aerospace and other industries, specially designed for difficult cutting materials such as high-temperature alloys. Precision machining requirements. CP2000 adopts an intuitive human-machine interface design. Paired with a wide door width design, not only does it simplify the operation process, more convenient for users to easily load and unload workpieces, significantly improved work efficiency and operational convenience. In addition, CP2000 provides flexible operating system options. Optional options include Siemens or Heidenhain systems, as well as the independently developed Kato C80 Plus system. We are your partner for providing excellent return on investment with special metalworking solutions.